Now I'm going to talk about the concealer pen, an amazing universal product that fits in your pocket. The concealer pen is a real product that you can use for pretty much anything in terms of coverage. Used for acne, scarring, blemishes, redness, pretty much anything you want. I promise it's really easy to use. So step one, take the product and pump it until the product comes out at the end. This can take a few pumps, but trust me, it'll be worth the wait. Step two, take the product and apply to any areas of concern. This can be anywhere from under eyes, blemishes, scarring, pretty much anything. Step three, now you need to blend. You can use your finger or a sponge and it's really simple. Just start to blend the product out till it's nice and even and it's not noticeable. If you blend it too much, just reapply some more product and do the process again. So the concealer pen is one of our favourite products and it's one of our best sellers. That's because it's really easy to use, and if you're a first time user, I'll definitely suggest starting with this. So go and check it out and give it a go.